Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Roblox, right? So make sure you follow the steps and watch me carefully. So right now I'm here in the Roblox, right? So I will just show you how to block, then I will show you how to unblock, right? So let's say that I want to find any person, right? You can just type the username or name over search bar and just go to the people, and let's say I want to block this person, right? So this, I just want to block this. I will just click on here. Once I click on, it will show me the profile icon of this person. On the top right, I will see the three dots. I will just go here and I will get this option to block user, right? So I can just block that user right now, and you can see that add friend option got disabled. Neither he can message me, nothing, right? If I want to unblock, then I will click on the three dots here. Well, I will show you two steps to unblock. The first step method is you can just go to the profile icon of that person, click on the three dots and unblock user from here. By the way, if you have forgot that which person you have blocked, you can just go to the setting. Once you go to the settings here, right, you have to just go to the privacy. Once you go to the privacy here, you have to scroll to the bottom, and here you will find a blocked user, right? So just click on show and it will show that person that you have blocked this person. Here you can just click on unblock and you will unblock. Right here it says save successfully. Now that this option, you will not find it here because that person has been unblocked. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.